Friends, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and today we are going to do a side hustle stuffing. I have sold a few things on Poshmark in the month of December, so let's go ahead and see how much we're working with today. It's 10, 20, 35, 45, 55, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 81, 82, and $83. And this is after Poshmark took all of their fees. And if I paid any shipping after all of that. I don't think I paid any shipping, but I could have forgotten. It is me. I do have a tendency to forget. Okay, so the first thing we will be stuffing today is taxes. I do take 30%, and I'm sure my calculations sometimes are off, but it should very well be 30% and put it in taxes. And this time it is 27. So there's 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, and 27. Okay, 10, 15, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so that leaves us with 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, and 123 in taxes. Right, and that is all we are putting in there. The next thing we are going to do is cost, and that is 14. So there's 10 or 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is actually going back to my wallet to pay me back for what I spent on buying items. The next envelope we will be stuffing is Pool Pass. I sold a lot of things that were under the Pool Pass category. All right. We are putting in $30. So there's 10, 20, 5, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Yeah, that will work. Okay, so 10, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 going in, and that will leave us with 10, 25, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $46 in Pool Pass, which is enough to pay for one pass. It's a 12-time pass, but they are expensive for someone on a tight budget, so this will help a lot. There's also some like a headband thing I want to buy, so that's really expensive too. So we're going to still continue to stuff this. I don't think I'll ever stop with that for a while. Okay, so the next thing that we will be stuffing is the down payment for my first home. And we are putting in $7. 5, 6, 7. So that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 5, 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, $639 in down payment. So then I have $5 and I sold an item that didn't have a category assigned to it. So I can put it anywhere that I want to, and I am going to put it in with my penny challenge money, which is sitting over to the side. It's huge. So it's just going to be added into that so that we can do the penny challenge in the next video and include it. And that is actually everything for today's side hustle stuffing. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for being here. Bye.